Hi, my friend. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to my earning world. Before you skip this video, I have a small story for you. Must hear this. Do you know the reason for why I am starting this channel? As a subscriber of mine, you must need to know this. After COVID-19 lockdown, I have wasted my valuable time for watching movies and social media. After some months, my savings are gone and I face a lot of struggles like financially, emotionally, physically, and more and more. But some peoples are not like me. Why? They are very successful, even the COVID-19 period. And I seriously watched them. Finally, I found they are financially freedom peoples. Also, they have meaningful goals for their life. After that, I decide my goal and help the people who all are struggling like me and seeking earning money tricks. Since I am always interested in that, if you feel I have upload videos for make money purpose only, definitely no. Trust me, sincerely, I want to help you to make a real impact and a financial improvement in your life. That's my motive. And I'm sure definitely I do that. Don't forget to introduce yourself to me in the comment box below or your preferred social media. I'm available in all social media. The links also available in the about page of this channel.